Pigeon pea, or Cajanus cajun, is a perennial legume from the family Fabaceae. The plant is known worldwide by many different names and has been cultivated for centuries. It grows in tropical and subtropical areas, including here in Southern California. Here in mid-December 2020, you can see they are getting busy flowering and putting out seed pods. Pigeon peas are sensitive to the day lengths getting shorter, and that's when they grow peas. Pigeon pea plants fix nitrogen in soils. Nitrogen provides energy for the plants to produce food and gives them their deep green cover. So the pigeon peas make great chop and drop for mulch too. Pigeon peas are drought tolerant, which is great news for gardeners in arid places. They don't tolerate frost, but they can be grown as an annual plant in cold climates. Pigeon peas taste good. No wonder they're so popular. They taste great eaten fresh off the plant or in a salad. I like to boil them in salted water, and they come out like edamame, the boiled soybeans you get in Japanese restaurants, as an appetizer. Other cultures serve them regularly with rice and in soups and stews. There are many recipes available online. Pigeon peas are loaded with nutrients. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 cup of pigeon peas has a little bit of saturated fat, gives you almost all the protein you need for a day, and more than enough fiber for a day, plus generous amounts of minerals. Pigeon peas grow by seed. Collect the dry seeds and store them in a cool, dry place. When you're ready to plant them, soak them in a shallow dish of water in a warm place for a few days. You can cover them with a towel to help them stay dark and warm. They will plump up as they soak and are ready to be planted. When they start to sprout, put them in small pots in a greenhouse during the cold season for planting out in the spring. Or plant them straight in the ground in spring when the weather's warm and rainy. Pigeon peas are fast growing, up to 8 feet tall in a couple of years, and live up to 5 years. They would make a great hedge, and in a food forest they function as the shrub layer, supporting the fruit trees, and act as a trellis, supporting vines. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Make sure to follow our channel and visit our website to discover additional tips, tricks, and advice on how to effectively build a food forest on your property.